Hello there, this is my first video in English and I want to talk about Waterman Carène. It's very nice and beautiful phone and pen, and I have to say that it has a little trouble. Tons of people are not satisfied with aligning the golden nib with top barrel. You can end up in a situation like this. How to fix it? It's easy and simple. You have to unscrew the top barrel. You have to remove the converter. And now you have to unscrew this ring. And you have to carefully remove this ring. Usually it's positioned different way. It's positioned this way. And it's fixed on the place. You can't move it, but as you can see on the ring, it has a little stopper here. If you move the stopper to the upper side, then you're able to position it, to move it. And then you just can go and fix this thread the way you want. For example, like this. I'm not happy, so I need to move threading and do it again. Still not good. So move it again. Way better. Still not 100%. So, a little move, fix it, and here you go, you aligned. Maybe I could move it a bit again, but right now I'm almost happy. So one little positioning, unscrew, move a bit, make it tight. Too much. Again. And this is the way how you can play with it. You can make your perfect precision positioning, and you'll be happy with top section, top barrel aligned with the nib. Now I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I hope this video helps. I'll be happy to see you with my other videos. So subscribe, like, share, and whatever you want. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.